Hi everyone. So today's problem of the day is rotate strings. So what is given in description? If you will see the description, given two string s and goal, return true if and only if s can become goal after some number of shift on s. A shift on s consists of moving the leftmost character of s to the rightmost position. For example, if a string is something like a b c d e, then it will be b c d e a. So what we did in this, so first of all, it will be like something like this A B C D E. So what I did, I moved this first character to the last character. So it became B C D E A. Now I can do this is one operation, and I can do like this operation any number of times. So I can make something like again all I can move this first to the last. So it will become C D E A B. So I need to find if my s can, after doing these type of operation any number of time, if I will be able to make my s equals to goal. So what I can do in this question is like s is something like a b c d e, and I want to check if it can be made equals to c d e a b. So how I can solve this? So basically, if I will write this string two times a b c d e and a b c d e. So in this way, after writing it two times, we will be able to easily find if goal is present or not. So now if I will be trying to find this goal, so goal will be c d e a b. So it is present. It is basically a substring of this string. If it is basically a substring of this string, so we can say ki after moving uh, any number of shit, we will be able to make this s equals to this goal. Because what I did in this, so it is C D E. So I shift my first two character to the last, and I am able to make this equals to this. Now, if I will check for my second example is A, B, C, D, E. So if I will write this two times A, B, C, D, E and A, B, C, D, E. So if I will try to check if my this is present, this string is a substring of this string or not. So what I can do A, B, C, D, E to A, B, C, E, D. So it is not present here. A, B, C, E, D. It is not even here. So it is not a direct substring of this string S plus S. So we can say ki we are not able to make this s equals to goal after making any number of shift. So if we will be giving this constraint is like both string length can start from 1 and can reach till 100, and these are all the English lowercase letters. Now if I can move to the solution. The solution may I have not done anything, just it is the basic only key. I declared this m length and end length. If my both length are not equal, suppose first of all I need to check my length. If both length are not equal, so how can I be able to shift the word and make it equals to this string? If it is suppose like a b c d e, and this is suppose a b c d EF. Now I can't do anything, any shift in the character to make it equals to this, because the number of characters only are not equal. So we can directly return false. Otherwise, we will double that first string s plus s, and we will try to find this goal in this now this new string. If I got not equals to minus one means not equals to minus one means I am able to find this goal in my this new string. If I'm able to find, I can basically return true. Otherwise, I can return false. So if you will see the time complexity in this case, to it for space complexity, to it is not taking any space, but for time complexity, it is using this find to find how much complexity find can take. Find will take n into m time complexity. N is the length of one string, and m is the length of the other string. So time complexity in this case will be big of n into m. Space complexity will be big of n. So yeah, thank you.